안녕하세요, 저는 로키입니다. Welcome back to today's video, Luckies, where we are going to be reacting to some more Promisnine, and I'm super freaking excited for today, yo, because I absolutely, one, freaking love Promise, and two, have got this as a brand new request from the Galaxy tier over on Patreon, and I just want to thank our lovely Nick once again for today's amazing video. So we have got 5 videos that we're going to be reacting to in total today, and the majority of them are Promise special content. So basically, we have got Love RUMPUMPUM, yes, it's just 2 pum-pums, and then we have got the Love RUMPUMPUM choreography. We have got the Promisnine playlist, Shawn Mendes, Camila Cabello, and I'm not sure which member is this again. So Jiwon and Xion. Yep, so Jiwon and Xion. Then we've got another playlist, Taeyeon's Rain cover by Chaeyoung, and then we have got the Troye Sivan cover by You. And this is going to be Youth, and I'm really freaking excited, y'all. So without any further ado, let's just go ahead and get straight into today's video by going ahead and giving this one a massive old like. Let's go full screen. Let's start our reaction in 3, 2, 1.
여기는 뉴욕에서 듣는
Let's
러브
go.
럼펌펌 뮤직
RUMPUMPUM.
큐.
I don't know why I always do an extra pump. Oh god, they look so cute, man. Were they in New York for KCON or something? Like when KCON was on in the US? Hey. God damn, man, Jiwon looks amazing. We really need to get into their reality really soon, man. Seriously. Oh my god. Wow, let's go. Hey. Now, young, yeah. Hey. RUMPUMPUM, hey. Wow, Yuri's so cute. RUMPUMPUM, hey. Hey. God, they just look so incredible, man. So Yuri just oh. Hey, dude, I vibe this. What a song. Hey. Hey. RUMPUMPUM. Dude, I love this song. Hey. Oh my god. Just like these shots are so nice too. Hey. I'm dead. The visuals. Jiwon with like her little like half, what would you call that? Like a sleeve? A glove? Hey. Oh, the vocals! Hey, love RUMPUMPUM. Hey. Wow. They make everything else around them look so much prettier. Hey. Like, they just light up a room, man. They light up a room, they light up a scene, they just look absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I really love this song too. Love RUMPUMPUM. Hey. I'm so glad we get to hear it twice. Hey. Ooh. Hey. Yeah, we definitely have to start watching their reality ASAP, man. I need to hurry the hell up. and just get to know them so much better. There's no time to waste. Hey. Have a rum pum pum, ooh rum pum pum, hey. Do the choreo. Love a rum pum pum, hey. Rum pum pum, rum pum pum, ooh. This is such cute choreo. Pum pum, hey. Love a rum pum pum, hey hey. Let's go. This is actually extremely quickly becoming my favorite from a song, bro. Ooh. It's like so dreamy here too. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Have a rum pum pum, ay, rum pum pum, ay. Dude, I love that little turn they do when they bend. Rum pum pum, ay. Rum pum pum, ay. This is so cute. Have a rum pum pum, ay. Dude, she wants so little. Seriously. Ooh, the ad-libs? Like rum pum 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 pum. Let's go. Oh yes! That note. Dude, why are From is so underrated? Hey. Hey, hey. Yeah. Love a rum pum pum, hey. Ooh, what? Oh, they're amazing. Oh, they're amazing. Fucking hell. Jesus. Alright. Oh, not Xion, Soyeon. That's right. Couldn't read that right. I was thinking, I was like, wait, is there a Xion? I don't remember that. Hey. What a song too. Get a Soyeon. Hey. Oh. I wish I could pretend that I was not simping for you, Jiwon. Jeez. God, she's amazing. Keep me coming for ya. Oh my god. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Interesting chess pieces. Hey. Hey. I love how they've kept the original lyrics too, like her. I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya. Hey. But every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for ya. Call me señorita. I wish it wasn't so damn hard to leave. God damn, Jiwon is so pretty. Oh, god damn, dude, Soyeon is so beautiful. Jesus Christ. Stop. That's not okay. Oh, hit it. God damn. This is just so pleasant. Their voices are so beautiful. Ooh, the harmony. Ooh, let's go. The shots too, they've done this so well. Oh damn. Ooh. Wow. A cover, you say? A cover? Yeah, right. Sure. The original, I think? Yes. Ooh, that harmony. Ooh, that harmony at the end was so nice. Alright, Soyeon, I'm paying attention, man. I'm paying attention. Shit. Now we got Taeyeon. Gonna get in fucking sad boy hours, man. Taeyeon. Thank you so much, Nick. Oh, man, I'm so excited. Ooh. Hey. Hey. She looks so soft here, man. Like, seriously. Ethereal. So soft. So oh. She's killing this. Oh. Hey. Ooh. Hey, hey. Woo. Ooh. Hey, let's go. She's killing this. Her voice is gorgeous. I think I'm just gonna say this about every Promise member, we know that, but Chaeyoung's voice is so clear. It's so sweet, it's so clear, and it's got power to it. Her higher register, her breathy register. Oh. Hey. I can't get over just how soft she looks here, man. This fit perfectly. This was beautiful. That was amazing. She is absolutely incredible. Now, Promise9, Youth, cover you. Let's go. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Promise are just the epitome of soft. Seriously. Epitome of soft. Wow. Wow. Hey, hey. My youth is yours. Ooh. Oh man. Dude, I just think that they, like I said, I are the epitome of soft. Their voices are so tender, so gorgeous, so angelic. I love it. I love it. Oh. Okay, Queen. Jesus. Start flashing like a photo booth. Hey. Hey. Let's go. My youth is yours. God, the harmonies are so beautiful. I think tender explains it. It's so soft, it's so tender. Wow. They're like fairies, man. Seriously, they're like fairies. It's crazy. Oh, jeez. Jeez. Jeez, man. So Nagyang, we already knew, but Hayoung, I think I keep forgetting her name exactly as well. But dude, I love this. That was absolutely beautiful. I love that. I think, like I said, and like I think is evident, at least like through what I've been saying throughout today's video, like they are the epitome of soft. They are so incredibly beautiful, and they are so good at this concept, just in terms of like the way that they sing, the way that they dress, the way they present themselves. They are just so incredibly soft. But also on top of that, as we've seen in this playlist where we had Soyeon, and then on top of that we also had Jiwon, like they can go really, really, really hard as well and be super visually aggressive, and then on top of that do the sexier concept as well. So, you know, they're so incredibly versatile. I love everything about them, and I think today, like, you know, I've watched a lot of From His content so far, at least the stuff that we have had over here, over on YouTube. And, you know, I think today is the day that the dam kind of breaks, because I just, like, every single time I listen to them, every single time I, you know, watch these videos over here with you guys on YouTube, I think to myself, I'm like, you know, how long is it going to be before we start actually getting into, like, From His reality content, like From His variety content? Like, how long is it gonna be before we actually do that? Like, is a guide enough? No, the answer is, in short, it's not. But also on top of that, I just keep on thinking, like, I'm so curious about them. Like, I want to know so much more, but when am I gonna do it? And, you know, I think it's gonna be extremely soon. I'm gonna start calling it as probably as early as next month, honestly, because I just need to get to know them so much better. There is so much more than meets the eye to Fromis. I think I've been able to figure that out today, just at least as far as this video is concerned. But, you know, I've just loved everything about them so far, and I need to just hurry the fuck up and just properly stand them, dude. Like, you know, when I look for guides and when I look at guides, it means that I'm so interested in standing, and I'm literally right there. But, you know, I just have to say as well, like, you know, as far as their stuff is concerned, there is so much more that I need to hear. There is so much more that I need to watch, and I'm so excited to obviously do that with you guys over here. But I really, really am most excited to get into their stuff over on Patreon through their reality. So, of course, make sure that you guys keep an eye out for that, because I'm really keen to just get straight in and just honestly dive straight on into Fromis, because they are absolutely incredible. They don't deserve to be slept on. And I think that even though I am aware of their talent, even though I watch them, and even though I regularly listen to them, I'm still, and this is painful to admit, I'm still half sleeping, man. I've got one eye open, and that's not good enough. So we need to get to know them a hell of a lot better. I hope that, of course, you guys are excited for that journey. And Nick, thank you so much for always constantly reminding me inadvertently through these videos just how much, like, I actually appreciate from this and how incredible they are as well. So, dude, I just want to say thank you so much for your amazing support, Nick. I love and appreciate you so much, my guy. And also thank you so much to every single one of you guys for tuning in today. Of course, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any more of my Promisnine reactions. And speaking of, up in the playlist up above, we have got some more Promis content that you guys can go and check out. So do definitely go and give that a look. Like I said a little bit earlier, make sure to obviously keep up to date with what we've got going over on Patreon, because because we definitely might get to from us very, very soon, and I'll let you guys know as soon as we do that, of course, if we are going to do that as well. So do definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel and keep updated, of course, if you guys would like that. But once again, until next time, take care of yourselves out there, stay safe, but most of all and above all else, guys, make sure that you guys are staying happy, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.